Hey, it's Tego Venturi with the Venturi team and Keller Williams Realty here in Albuquerque with my monthly market update. Do this every month. Been doing it every month for, long time. We're going to look at October, and I've got a new chart. All new chart this time, a little bit different than what we've done. What I wanted to do is break things down by price range. So excuse me while I look down here. The blue is 200,000 and below. The yellow is 2 to 400. The red is 4 to 6. And the green is 6 and up. So what I wanted to do is kind of give a comparison by price ranges because it's very different. And I'll show you those numbers here in a moment in different price ranges. And then this lighter blue over here, that's overall. And currently what we're looking at is price per square foot for the month of October. And if you see, in this case, I just want to compare it this year, 2018 at 118 versus last year, October 2017, 116. You see we've had a slight increase. However, if we look at this from an annualized, if we just average out the 12-month and the 12-month trend, you can see we've had about a 5.3% gain annualized, rolling 12 months. So November through October of this year, November of 17. So, however, let's look at this by price ranges, and we break this down. If we look at the annualized numbers, that 200 and under price range, we saw a 6.3% increase in the average price per square foot. And let me tell you why I'm highlighting this price per square foot, because this is a really good indicator of market appreciation just overall. These numbers generally trend the home price index from a percentage standpoint. They kind of trend right in line with each other. So if we look at that 2 to 400 price range, we've seen about a 2% increase, 4 to 6, about a 2% increase as well. And then you get over 600,000, the luxury market, maybe a 1% change in the price per square foot. So what that's telling us, if you look at the overall, again, 5.3, that's good. Price appreciation, that's a nice number. It's not too much, and we don't want that. It's a nice number. However, it's very different depending on what price ranges you're in, and I'll show you why that is. If we look at closed sales, actually, let's look at the annualized closed sales because this gives us a better idea, the trend. You can see that the number of homes sold in that lower price range is actually down this year over last year. That's just because the supply and demand is much tighter, and I'll show you that on this chart. Month supply of homes for sale in that 200 and under is 2 months for October versus 3 months, 3.5 months for 2 to 4, 5 months 4 to 6, and 10 months from 600,000 and above. Again, that luxury price range. So the takeaway here is that the market was really hot in the summer. It's kind of flattened out going into late fall or late summer, early fall. And when I say flattened out, I don't mean the market's died. The market is strong, and the market is, I don't want to say strong, it's steady, it's solid, but it's not in all price ranges. So if you're selling in a $200,000 price range, you're in a good position. You're in a seller's market. If you're buying in that market, you're going to have some competition. But if you're buying in that 400 to 600 price range, well, maybe not so much. It's a little more of a balanced market around that 5-month supply. So just something to keep in mind. If you're buying in that luxury market, you have a lot of homes to choose from, a lot of supply, not as much demand. So you're more of the buyer, advantage buyer in that higher price range. Again, we're just looking at numbers. We're looking at stats. Every price range is a little bit different. Every part of town is a little bit different. Every home is a little bit different. But we are still seeing, even in September here, November. Gosh, I'm going the wrong way. In November, it's been steady. We've had some homes that have gone on the market, had multiple offers the first day. But again, it was an incredibly well cared for home in the right area with the right things that people are looking for. Those homes are still in high demand. So there's a lot of data here, and I'm not going to go through each one of these. I just do want to show you the monthly pending sales, because I think it's a good idea just again to see where we're at. Pending sales for October overall was up 13% versus October last year, and you can see by the different price ranges. In the lower price ranges, 8% increase. That mid 2 to 4 price range, 23% increase in pending sales, and then in the 4 to 6, and so on and so forth. So you can kind of look at that and see. So if you want to look at this chart, I've got it on our website. So let me show you where to go. If you go to our website, let me go to a different tab here. Our website is welcomehomeabq.com, and you'll come to our site. If you come over to the tab, my face is in the way here. Let me move that. There we go. If we go to 3-year market trends by price, that was the tabbed chart page that we were just looking at. It looks a little bit different here, but it's the same data. You can go through and get all that information. If you want to dig deeper to what's going on in your neighborhood, reach out to us. We're at 448-8888. Thanks for watching, and take care.